We are live, as I'm saying, Mr. Blitztech.
Revenue GS, and welcome back to another episode of Chensō Man, episode 9.
Hey, what's good, fam? If you enjoyed this video, check out our TCN community where you will get private Discord access to join us in chatting about all things movies and trailers, participating in our debates, and even submit your requests on which ones we watch. You also get access to our full movies, animes, and series reactions, so don't miss out. The link to join the community will be pinned comment.
This is so tough.
Yay!
And the music as well?
The music is mad.
Fucking hell, bro.
And the way they just cut off as well.
So, are we gonna get to see her now, like, fully disappear?
Possibly.
Because that would be mad, bro. If this is how we started today, bruv. Is she missing a fingernail?
Yeah, it look like it. Wow! Woo!
What? Fucking hell.
No way he's alive. The chick's not there though. Who's
There
that?
she is.
Oh,
There she is.
not someone else. The one that didn't show her powers, she's not on the floor. Yes.
Yeah, come on.
They ain't gonna show her powers for time, bro. We're gonna see what she does until God knows when.
Tendo さん、東京で特1課、2課、3課、4課が襲撃されたらしいです。
あ
Four divisions, bro.
マジ？マキマさん死んでる？
じゃあうちら待ちそうかよ。
It's about to pull up.
Notice how these two have a cut on each side.
Yeah, the opposite.
So, like, what? They're the same person?
She must have done a madness. Why is she wearing their clothes?
No.
Oh no, it's not.
黒瀬くん、天童ちゃん。変な感じってどういう？
What the f-
Nah, these lines, stop this, bruv. Why did his head just go down like that?
いい班、C 班に再度マキマの死亡を確認させろ。
こちらいいや。
Is that Makima's doing?
さっきから C 班との連絡が取れない。
Oh my goodness! What the fuck?
Yo!
Is this her
It
power?
might be her.
Yeah, it must be.
Yep.
No, wait, she gonna.
Wait.
She's gonna mass execute all these men.
なんで俺たちも明確しよう。
牧野さんは内閣官房長官直属のデビルハンターよ。一階のデビルハンターやと契約している悪夢を知ることは許されない。
三島修造と言いなさい。
三島修造。
ここで私ができることは終わりました。東京に戻ります。
Yo, fam!
こんなデタラメな力は多分マキマのだ。大丈夫な間に逃げるぞ。
殺したんじゃなかったのかよ。
Told you she survived.
Oh, Lord.
Bro, she used Denji as a shield, you know.
She's fucked. I thought she was gonna use his head, bruv, as a chainsaw.
She's actually nuts.
Bruv, this whole world is nuts. She laughing.
Yeah, she's
She
nasty.
cries, she laughing, fam.
I don't think she ever had it, to be honest.
This is mad, bro.
Bro!
Bro, man took one in the neck, still had time to protect her, or die. It's peak, bro. Bro, you are nuts already. Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ.
What's some of the skull?
生きててよかった。得意化はどれくらい生きてる？
Zero.
得意1課、2課、3課、4課、ともに銃撃に遭い、人外以外はほとんど全員死にました。
Mad.
得意化だけを狙った銃での襲撃。銃の悪魔が関わっているだろうね。
上から通達です。人員不足のため、得意1課、2課、3課は4課と合併。以降、公安大麻得意4課を牧間さんの指揮下に置きます。
Mad.
あとこれを。
何？
僕の辞表です。
Oh.
やめちゃうの？
得意化がきな臭くなってきました。やめるか殺されるかの二択ですよ。
Bro, don't blame you. Go get a regular job, fam.
最後に教えてください。牧間さんは今回の事態をどこまで想定していましたか？
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられない。 まどかくん、今までありがとう。
Yeah, he just
こ
resigned.
れ渡しておく
Now
ね。
you want to ask questions?
Should have asked before you handed the resignation letter, innit?
It's good that he's gone.
But I like that. But you see what they did there? They put that question out there.
Oh.
Because remember, we've been saying this from time. She's up to something with the special team.
使用に来ただけですからね。
1週間ですぐ京都に戻りますから。
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
Bro, she is the devil, you know. She's definitely the devil. What is she up to? She's up to something. Like you're saying, like putting these people together. Like even like you're saying, she's very calculating as well.
And this is why I think that last bit with the guy with the resignation letter, him asking that question,
Yeah.
and the fact that he did it after handing out, she replies, "Yo, don't worry about that. You're not. Do you know what I mean?"
Yeah, I think that's more for us rather than
Exactly. That's more for us.
Yeah.
But you see the way it's been delivered.
Yeah. So I'm saying she's very like calculating. 'Cause
Very.
Some people will be like, we'll just
Very.
answer that.
Yeah.
But
very.
she's like, oh, you're not. You're
Very.
just a citizen
Like,
now.
From time she put this team together, there was 4 divisions.
Mm-hmm.
Every non-human is alive. That's her team.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody else finished.
Yeah.
This is woo.
It's actually very mad.
And her powers. See, I can't. We need to get deeper into this, bro. She had 6 bodies, almost like sacrifices.
Mm-hmm.
So for her to use her powers like that,
that's not even the full extent, because remember, she also has powers we still haven't seen.
I know.
And on the train, bro, she put like man, you know what, man, whole size things in their chest, bro.
And she had the ravens with her.
Mm.
This is proud of this.
And she survived a bullet to the head.
Yeah, that too.
Wait, did Denji get shot in the head as well?
Denji got shot, I think it was neck. Either way, it was upper body.
It was, yeah. That's what I'm
was
saying. I
upper
can't
body.
remember. Because obviously, like, he had to get activated.
Yeah,
rather
exactly.
than-
He couldn't do it himself,
Yeah.
so probably got shot in the head.
Mm.
Then Finn got shot in the shoulder.
Who?
They go to the eye patch.
Oh, okay.
She's the one who got shot in the shoulder. Bro, power just kicked, bro.
She's like that, bro. Even though like her powers, I think her powers is manipulate blood.
Yeah.
I don't know why they're not using her, to be honest. She
But-
seems like a legit character, but
Wouldn't she then be like, almost like the Met person in the team? Because if there's a loss of blood, she can manipulate that. Although she did say, "Yo, I can manipulate mine. I haven't tried to do others."
oh, is that what she said?
Yeah, she said that a few episodes ago. But it's like even Denji without being is deactivated.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure if she puts his body together, because I think he's been chopped up before.
Yeah, it has, yeah.
And his body came together, innit?
Yeah, as long as they had the parts. they
Right,
just-
exactly. So she can do that then.
Mm.
But she just bust case.
What? She's got one of the most powerful skills, but become a bloodbender, bruv. What are you doing? What's going on here, bruv? Like you said, like, how is she not trying to manipulate other people, bro?
Yo.
What? She could be as powerful as Makima, bruv. What is going on?
Bender, that's a good one.
It's true,
That's a good one. Yo,
It's true.
straight Avatar too. Yo, that's legit.
No, man. Like,
hey.
and that chick with the knife, like, I don't know if she's got any different powers, but the fact that she's very, like, I would say athletic. This is athletic and aerobatic. Bruh.
Also, notice she had the shank with her.
Yeah, she's always had that.
Yeah.
See what you're saying?
So she's like, what, speed and using knives and sharp objects.
Well, I just want to see the extent of her powers as well.
She cleaned off that dude's arm,
Yeah,
clean
real quick.
off, bro.
Yeah, bro.
So swift, and she's got speed,
Yeah,
agility,
she's mad.
but something needs to,
I think it really has.
because like that didn't happen at the hotel though.
What?
at the hotel, she was just getting mad. She was getting mad or trying to kill Denji.
No one died though. I think we saw it today. Someone died protecting her.
True.
She started doing a madness, and obviously then she found out where they were, so she did it again. But in the room in the hotel,
no one had died yet.
Yeah, so it was almost like, I don't know, she ain't spazzed out or something. But I want to see it like her history, because they showed everyone else to a certain extent.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to see, like, because the guy that died protecting her, did they show his devil?
No,
they didn't.
He was the only one who didn't. Because the girl with the eye patch, she's got the ghost.
He had a power, didn't he?
We hadn't seen it, not that I remember. He didn't do nothing. Them two didn't do nothing but panic in the hotel.
Oh, that's a shame.
That's all they did, bruv. And then sleep. Because all he cared about was the food, like, because Power ate all the food and he was just spazzing on her about that. But them two didn't do nothing, bruv.
Yeah, I will.
So,
but yeah, I'm glad that some people off the table like that. I feel that's pretty sick.
But then we've added more.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. So it's like they've shown. It's almost like Games of. I'm saying it's like Game of Thrones in terms of characters. Like they'll introduce people, and you don't know who's going to get taken. Obviously, the main people, but it's like still who. But that's it's actually kind of mad. But Makima, we know she's been on some manners. It's just deep down a rabbit hole now. And when she goes to dine in Tokyo to die for, bro. What does that mean?
Listen, hey, we need to get.
Nah, she's the devil, bro. And every time they show her, like the background is like, it reminds you of some fishiness. You know when you look into someone's eyes and it's just like
this is not exactly what I'm looking at.
yeah,
bro. Like, the thing is, with Makima, it's been from the beginning. From jump, we start watching this. Like, something fishy about you.
Yeah, like always smiling. Yeah.
Very manipulative.
Yes.
Like, and you see the way she manipulates people's deaths.
Yeah, well, yeah, use their history against them, yeah.
Like, what?
No.
Nah, this is crazy. And the whole thing as well is that it wasn't the people that we thought that she was going to meet that did the hit. So for that, I think they've cleared that off the table. It wasn't you guys. Is the op. So
was the big wigs the one that she met?
She was supposed to go meet. Yeah.
Was that them that she killed them?
Nah.
Okay.
They were part of the Yakuzas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it's bad, but you know what's mad? You jump in the comment section below and let us know your thoughts on this episode and everything that's going on in Chensō Man's world. And on that note, I'm Raven the GS.
So I'm Mr. Blitztech.
And we shall see you at the next episode. Peace.
What happened?
Nothing happened. Nothing except for the war. Too many people died in this land. All that pain forced me to grow up.
What does that mean?
That even innocent, foolish children will grow up in the face of pain.